Thank you for tuning in. It's been a while I showed my face, right? Here I am. So let's make this beautiful balloon. I'm sure you would love it. Let me know what you think about this decoration in the comment section. Also, let me know where you're watching from. Thank you. So let's start this by building our garland. Yeah, we have to pair up the balloons together. See, this makes like a bunch, and we can build this bunch like that in different sizes, but I'm building this bunch and placing them over one another. This helps the cluster and keeps it tight together. It's better than just putting them in pairs. So yeah, our cluster is built up and our garland is ready to be put up the wall. I'm checking to see if the size is okay and it's perfect for the length that I want. So this is our cluster as it is. Now let's add some brightness. Let's add some stars. So now I'm adding this just to give this a little twist and turn to it. What do you think about this, guys? I think I'm loving the outcome already. Leave your comments in the comment section and let me know what you would have done differently, or if you loved this exactly and if you tried it on your own. So I'm adding this as well just to give it that brightness as well. Would you have added it or would you have left it as it is? Now our garland is ready and we are ready. Yeah, it's beautiful, guys. I love what I'm seeing. What do you think? Leave your comments in the comment section. Also, this is appropriate both indoor and outdoor. You can use it for any occasion. It's perfect for birthdays or any other occasion as it may be. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye for now.